that for Lagos that time.
She's my girlfriend now. Rose just say make her not talk. I friend that girl, Nani Papa carry and give me. I wanted to marry her, but now Rose just want make people they laugh me. Now they say make her not talk.
Okay.
I don't still talk and last year after I don't drive Rose. So make the girl come outside now can't talk. Not be say I not sleep with her. The Papa carry give me. I wanted to marry her. I slept with her back and front. Not be
wicked.
I wanted to marry her, but her character was worse. It was like I was moving from fry pan to fire. Now I say I'm not married. Now I call her take come.
Okay.
Her father is still alive. I have conversation here. So that on our story. So now when the way that girl want yab this woman, only children take yaban. So that is the area where when we want to do this IVF, I not can't hesitate to say no again. I can't feel for her.
Okay.
So that is when I went and dropped my sperm. When I now dropped my sperm finished, I now travel back to Holland. Rose can't do me like person when it already born for me. Rose death with me. You know when
you already drop your sperm.
When I drop my sperm, I come back to Holland. Waiting Rose do me. I think I have seen Rose. Rose death with me.
You.
Rose carry my motor go put down for sale. I talk. He say make her they come Nigeria. They come. Rose sold my motor. I asked for money. Rose tell me make her they come. He collect phone for the person when they work for. Say come give me phone if you want make it they come Nigeria. Then Rose not come sleep us. You know say I know they check my camera always. The night I check camera, Rose not sleep my house. Rose can't lie say ask me with an they quarrel for food that time. Say he heart just drop. They rush her to hospital. They admit in the hospital sleep. I call hospital say na lie. He say okay, I not tell you. I later come off for hospital. Go one of my sister house. Now I just call that one Heli say na lie. Come find her say Rose na my house is sleep. Now I just send my lawyer say they should withdraw the sperm consent. Now so they take withdraw sperm consent when Madali come they beg, they cry. Everybody they beg. I say no. I no agree. Oh. After 1 year, instead of them to flush my sperm or leave it until I decide what to do, Nairos go use and do IVF without my consent.
Okay, what I want here, you don't already tell me, sir. My sister Ogie something. You see what our native doctor just explain now. You see, so there were misunderstanding. Okay, there were misunderstanding. So that time when we say it already dropped sperm, and the woman could do the man anyhow. So now the man could withdraw the sperm. Say I don't want me to use them again. Okay, that woman now for in head. Now how you go quick do make it collect the pikin from this man. Now you go run do. I did say it's right oh. So that is the reason why I did that thing. She's already old. Opportunity when she just she go do that thing where you do. Because if man and woman.
Wait, I think I want to tell you, my sister, you are not doing it for me. In case you go another platform, so you will know certain things how to address certain things. In this case, it's not supposed to be like that. If you are an old woman and you want to use somebody's sperm, you know one wahala or the person not agree, you will go to hospital. Then they sell sperm for hospital and then they sell egg. In case you don't know.
When man marry me already put for my hand. When man marry me already put for my hand, I see they go hospital.
You put for your hand. Calm down. I be say you not hear the story. You not put for your hand. I said I withdrew my sperm after a year. Now she go do this IV after a year.
You have already given it to her before you go withdraw.
No.
You give it to hospital. You give it to hospital.
No, I don't want to mute you. You have to learn to teach others.
Okay.
Don't talk out of ignorance. As I'm standing here now, I am talking as a lawyer because I have been advised. I am talking as a doctor because I have been advised. I have lawyer in this country. I don't want to sue Rose yet. The lawyer have gone through things over a year ago. Just only consent. The only consent I go give the lawyer of this country, Oyibo, not be brag. I gave her consent of withdrawal. The lawyer, they tap chairs like say, "Mo enter court today." Only that consent. The lawyer spoke with my lawyer that sent that consent in Nigeria. He said, "Where is the acknowledgement copy?" They forwarded it to her. So when I'm talking here today, I'm not talking to you as a swagalicious native doctor. So if you don't learn from this page, next time you will just put people in problem.
No, this thing you are wrong, go, sir.
No, calm down, learn, calm down.
Okay.
We are talking for people to learn so that women and men can keep on making mistakes. Let me tell you the only area where she get case. The only area where she's supposed to get case when you dey support now, sorry to use the word support because you don't know. If I donate my sperm, they can't use and develop the embryo, they can't put in insert it into her vagina. I don't have any authority of withdrawal. No Jupiter, because she will refuse abortion. Say, "I can't do abortion to keep myself, I don't want to keep baby." It will not work. If you donate your sperm, and they are supposed to insert it 24 hours time, and you terminate it, the law still say that it has been terminated since they have not inserted it. My own was more than a year. So if you want to have a child under my roof, it's allowed. Since I kick you out, you refuse to go. You will go and buy egg and buy sperm. You can even use your ex-boyfriend or husband's sperm. You know, last year, a man came out when I published her photo, in case you used to follow me. Her husband came out to fight me. Are you aware?
Yes.
Okay, well, now they talk like so, now they forget it. I don't forget. A woman whom her husband came out, that they are still legally married as I speak today now. They are not divorced. Came out. So probably, why not use that man's sperm? Why not buy sperm? There's a big trouble if I want it. One person spoke just now, say, so long as she carry and say no issue, that you not follow law. So long the issue of egg is recognized by medical law and whatever law that is allowed to take egg, they do surrogacy. That same law proves, say, if you do surrogacy for person, not be you get that pikin, you help my carrier. Are you aware?
Yes, that is it.
So what are you doing? Why are you people deceiving other women? I'm just trying to lecture. I don't want to meet you, priest. Why are we? I don't use my page to deceive people. Why can't we use this opportunity to enlighten women? The madam that spoke just now that you are referring to, she spoke senses, so but I don't know, say talk to the whole world. We are using this opportunity to enlighten people. If you want to be a thief, be a professional thief. Pray smart. This thing is something you people should learn for, because many are doing it, so you can never go against that. But if you meet somebody like me, you will go prison. So why can't you use it well? If you want to thief, thief smartly. So now, if law recognize surrogacy, that you give me egg, I born, I give you, it's your pikin, you will not carry on. Wetin come make you think, say, the same law cannot be used against Rose, that she only helps somebody to carry it. That she's a surrogacy mother if we follow by law and by debate.
100%.
Yes.
That's what she did. She's
Yes,
a surrogacy.
the law can go against her. No.
Why are we deceiving others? Let others learn.
No, what if they trust her? You never let me explain my own part.
No, I will give you time, even though only you will get here to this. I know that is somebody else will continue. Go ahead.
Okay. Sir, before I continue, make I ask question. Officially, we don't divorce.
We were never legally married. Now, the only one husband married, never divorced, and the man still dead here.
Okay.
That man, we are not listening to me if I teach you sense. Nothing say I hate the woman. Say they spoil long. That man that came after me, he called himself Livingstone. That came after me. He is the present husband of Rose. They are legally married, not divorced in Nigeria, Ikoyi.
So another person wife, now you come put for house before.
Yes. And I just know.
You are still there your head though.
Now this quarrel now I know.
You don't know say they never do.
Then she never divorced. Now person wife.
The matter strong.
The woman, she is a criminal. That woman is a criminal. She's a criminal. 100%. And another thing again, you don't say because somebody is 100 years, she have the right to go and take another woman's sperm
No,
and make baby with a man.
no,
You
no,
don't
no,
use age to lie. You don't do that.
What she did was bad, madam. First of all, before I continue,
No,
madam,
you were trying to say because
no,
she's old, this and that.
okay,
Even
well,
when she's 200
let
years,
me
she
try
has
to
no right.
explain. Let me explain what I'm trying to say. What she did
let's
was
allow
what she
somebody
did
else
was
to talk.
wrong. Okay, I'm not supporting it because me just dey hear and say he no marry and legally and the woman he marry another woman now he never divorce. That one is strong, eh? But what I'm trying to say, man, you that is talking now, like if na me, did that woman sure, if na you, did that woman shoot that time, I think you will do the same thing.
God forbid. My enemy cannot do such nonsense. Listen, do you know the crime? You are taking another woman egg to have baby for a man when you know you are not the biological owner of that egg. That woman, she's a criminal.
But the man is
All
not
the
accepting
authorities
it.
should deport her very fast. She's a criminal.
That woman did that. He gave that. That charge is for herself. Because the man did not
Okay,
accept that
why
charge.
not
It's for
tell the truth
herself.
to the man?
Hold
Why
on a
not tell the
minute. Hold on a
truth?
minute. Hold on a minute. Madam, don't mislead people here. The other woman, don't mislead people. Don't go there. If I no accept her, no me say it's not a criminal matter. Don't
No, I'm not
mis-
saying it's not a criminal. I say it's a criminal matter.
Yes, even though I no accept her, what this woman is saying, that is the right thing. Even though he want to have baby under my roof, even for using me, let me tell you another law. Calm down, not only you I'm talking to. Now, another offense is that even though he not use my sperm, and with a quarrel, she want to have her own baby under my roof, and he can't use mouth talk and say, "Na my children." I can't buy ticket for her. I can't take her to antenatal. Do you know it's a criminal offense?
Very big one.
So why are we deceiving ourselves? Let's not say I don't donate sperm at all, and I don't give her a date to quit. You can't say like a landlord now. I say this marriage, I'm not interested. She said I'm not interested too. I said okay. She said please give me 6 months to get her rent, to hire a room, to furnish her room. Then I will not give 6 months. Okay. Then in that 6 months, if she come to me say, babe, I am pregnant, and you are the father. All my food when she eat for that 6 months, the antenatal, the everything. If I find that it's not my children, it's a big offense.
Big
Even
one.
when I
Let
do
me say.
withdraw sperm.
Yes.
Why I don't use my page to deceive people to gain favor. I use my page to teach people.
You are right.
Do you know in my organization, I have more than 7 lawyers in my organization, volunteer lawyers, I can call. In this country, I have about 3 lawyers. I have a foundation here. I have 1 lawyer. Then the rest, I have normal lawyer too, which is 3. Then I have doctors. Remember, say they post IVF contact here. Not be the one who do that children. I get many doctors. Before they talk here, I don't forward to them. Couple will let you once I know. Check Google. Google will tell you. Check AI. AI will tell you. So let us not use this opportunity to say, I don't like this man. Let me mislead other women. The day you go reach your turn, reach your sister turn, you go say, I be they hear that thing for swagalicious.page. I no listen. That man do the make I know.
Sir, what he do wrong? I don't say no wrong. I don't say what that your wife do wrong, your former wife. What he do wrong? What am I saying is that I said you say on our marriage last few hours, and he can't use woman sense, pet you or what he can't do. When say you can't figure drop the spell for her. After one, you can say after you say no, give me back. I don't give you again. I ain't no say you don't finish. He no say you don't finish. Say oh this man if I give me the one withdraw now. Now maybe now he wrong. Quick, go do what he go do. Make it carry those. Make it get your own pikin because you don't get pikin.
It's a lie. Stop it. Stop it.
My dear,
Are
don't
there
tell me
not
to
men
stop
everywhere? Can't she go to hospital and get a sperm? Do you know how many sperm in the hospital men donate if a woman need it? She did what she did to steal many things from this man.
But
That's the truth.
You know, I'm going to drop you now. Before I
no,
drop you, I
abeg,
want
sir.
to
Wait, make we talk one
There
thing.
are many
Abeg, I wan
sperm
beg
in
you
the
one thing.
hospital.
Make we talk
As
before
a
you drop
woman,
me.
listen.
Wait, may I tell you, sir,
Wait.
sir,
As a
no,
woman,
madam,
yeah,
wait,
if you
madam,
want
wait,
sperm,
one
no dey
after
there
the
is
shout,
a
other.
lot
One
of
after
sperm
the
in
other.
the hospital.
sir, abeg, dash am the pikin, dash am, abeg,
One after the
dash
other.
am the children, abeg, dash am the children. You get children
You
before,
don't talk
dash
now.
am.
You not get brothers. You not get sister. Made them donate sperm for us. You not get brothers. Made them donate sperm for her. Me, I know where you they go. Do you know who I am? For a woman to forcefully give me children, he never even born. Don't collect property like say if I die. Me for say see my children no. Now their papa get the property oh. Give your brother's sperm to Rose. Rose still need to born her own. Next.
Now, let's get something clear, yeah? Do you know how painful it is for a man to be taking care of children when he don't know the biological mother? Do you know how painful? That's not nice. As a woman, even if you are 100 years, you want to have baby, there are sperm in the hospital. You go and take. You pay for it. Many people are doing it. If you want to have a baby, you don't want any man to be in the picture. Go to the lab. They will tell you this sperm, this sperm, this sperm, this sperm. This is the person blood type. This is everything they will explain to you. You will not decide the one you want. You pay them. They put it inside your body.
Yeah.
So saying that because she's old, that is why she did what she did, that is totally wrong statement. It's totally wrong statement. Mute this person.
All right, next.
You took my house.
Well, good evening. I have to
You
know.
took my house, my money.
Good evening.
So
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Good
Okay, I
afternoon,
think
sir.
I came here before. Juliet, please let me just talk now.
Oh.
I think I came here before. Good afternoon, everyone.
Okay.
See this our sister Ogie. Wait till everything when you talk, that God will bless you. I love women who see the truth and stand for the truth. I'm not here for a woman stand for a woman. No. I'm here for a woman that say the truth. And this is exactly what our sister have been saying here. Rose, if Rose really knows, say she want her own pikin, in here don't do surrogacy. Why she not go do surrogacy? She'll go buy sperm. By now, won't I be seeing all this thing or hearing this? Then when she leave our swagalicious native daughter, she go buy sperm. She go take care of the children by herself. Now she can't know that she will come abroad. This one where Rose do. Rose now wicked person from the pit of air. From the everything wey she do concerning the property, so Obo property when high enter wey make her no gree comot, she don already know say she don leave Obo since as Obo leave am, but because of those property she want to gain, she's a greedy woman, and at the end of the day she's going to suffer. For me, I believe say karma must meet her up, because everything wey me see when Obo show us for proof how she take lie to us say she be Christian after she don do Obo bad. She can't they do say now she can't be Christian and pastor, she can't be now now in the church she can't they go now. We be why or Obo can't go Nigeria go show us with juju people with mama picture. Rose can't still defend that one. Now when they join Rose now bad sha, like all this proof when we see for social media now, see they talk say Rose is a good woman, it's okay, you don't talk, we are on your side. Like my sister was sweet when you come on yours now. Ask why you not tell her me she go buy sperm. How many years when we don't take no Rose since for this social media say Rose they can't do human activist, you go wear police slots. Rose life that fake, everything fake. The thing it just be like Obo just the cover up for Rose for many things. Everything about Rose fake. Rose say he get money. The Obo enter Nigeria bring out property. Clothes where Rose get be like clothes where they drop grant. Clothes no Rose get Rose say he get goods. Goods where he get all black. Rose no get anything. Rose Rose, I beg. If don't be say they want, I know say your gang now they go give you awards because you be award now you be the best liars. That's why I don't they cut. I don't talk finish too lie.
You, my darling. Bye. All right, next. You can talk in favor of anybody. You can talk neutral. No problem. Now, human rights page you there. Okay, I think
good
get
afternoon.
to refresh
Abeg.
your memory. I was talking about Rose's original husband when they never divorced. I still have it. This is not AI. Now it be this one. They are not divorced till today. Oh. They are not divorced now. This man came out boldly to fight me last year when I was talking to his wife.
Sorry.
Okay, now I want to refresh your memory. If you see this picture, now Rose and the man. So now if you can't come here, you go know say they don't live together like 5 years or more. In this other one I want to show. Now Rose, just like when they do white wedding, after 5 years they'll come do court wedding. So we can see the difference. This one and this one. Not be AI. Oh. So as we speak now, Rose is fully and legally still married to this guy. 8 years with me, Rose did not go and divorce this guy. So what was their plan? Rose was 8 years with me, probably still meeting this man because they want to kill a rich man to enrich themselves. Inside that 8 years, Rose did not divorce. The only thing Rose did not force me to do is to marry her in court, not knowing that him and somebody is already married in court. She and somebody rather. All right, go ahead. Good evening.
Good afternoon, sir. Evening.
Thank you.
I greet everybody. I beg this matter don't dey grant for the small thing. You know, we as a Nigeria, I believe say na Nigeria na many pass here. Like I just talk my mind, I did work, I will quick come out just shortly. So the problem when we get as a Nigeria first, I don't want to talk about Africa. I want to talk about we Nigeria. We know if we see truth, we know they accept them. That's why you go see say some of our people go they misbehave and they go they give other people bad name. When they work, they go they because of those things they treat us because of the same thing when our people they do. Oga Obodo they talk about this woman for a long time. My own opinion, my mind. At least if you born people for abroad, you won't do IVF. Many women, all of us don't go through so many things for life. I know that people they pay, you know that people get as it based on Africans, that they use and mock women too now. So the issue be say, my whole point, so I know now my mind I want to talk. This woman, a part of both say and him and they together. But the issue be say the woman to get secret. When somebody to get secret, even some friends that they do them, you with them, you go to discuss your own issue to them, they go they hide their own for you. The woman to get secret. A man when you keep for house, say una don't already get this plan like that. If you don't work, as the man don't tell you, you're supposed to just come up your mind as other people talk. Say, if you go buy egg, if you go do, because if you say me we follow the rules, a path is through that hospital. Because Nigerians, they know they talk true. If you are among 42 years old for Europe, they know they do IVF for you. Not be all Europe, country where me are they. Private go do IVF for you 42 years. So 42 years. But Nigeria go tell you, say, no problem. 60 years, 50 years, go carry pikin. That's why they treat people pikin, they give another person. I believe I know that this media, I want to hear the one way happen for London. When they bring pikin and in there, the woman and her husband, I don't know how the thing happen. I don't know whether that's true too. For my own. Oga, if you want, just forgive her. But that woman wrong. Both, if you want to deal with them, both the hospital, both that woman, all of them supposed to go down. For my own mind. So that other women will they will learn for all these things. Because the problem when they get Africans, we know they like the truth. You see how this is time when they talk since they give the points. We no need to defend anybody. If you not get pikin, you know, not be do or die. Yeah. Now because of Africans, they feel say pikin not be everybody need to born. Some people they say they don't want pikin. We there abroad. Why we not get that same mentality of Weibo? Some we don't live 20 years, 30 years. But the way we still take the fee, I know how it be. Because say we be Africa. But the only thing when I just know say, sir, if you know say, may you go do your own DNA. If you know say that pikin are your own, because by law, me I know all these things. If that pikin not be your own, you know if you carry this pikin come. If like say that pikin both your sperm and the other sperm, the both side, both the woman own and your man own. If na your own, now she go fit come this country, now you go fit come Europe. If not be your own, she no go fit cross border. But that time she never born. I don't know whether they do the DNA, they do DNA when person still dey pregnant.
Not that time.
But you now, what you need to do before you dey conclude? First go check if those pikin na your own sperm they use.
We are on it. You know me, I be keep quiet, say make it come out before I dey talk, before I come see this one. And this one make me come out. We don't do a true court. You know, say she don't want to do DNA, I don't know why. I
The
don't
woman
talk.
approve. I dey follow all of una, but the woman
So I
approve.
come, as you know what, I can still relax anytime when I ready. I go meet lawyer, go court. Now if she can't sue me to court, say he not even want me to come close to the children. So now come reach court now. We reach court to just dey listen to me, my sister. Oh. We can't reach court. What is the right? They say she want to be full custody. She want make her remove my hand. She say I deny the
She say na
children.
the children.
She say I cause the children. I waiting. Just carry go court. Now I reach court to. Now the judge start to the ask question. What is my name? I talk. I talk. Now they meet Rose. Rose, what is your name? You talk. Who is this man to your children? He say, they are the father. He's the father. Now he just say, hold on, no. According to what she have here, because I sent down certain things, he said, according to what she have here through my lawyer, it shows that this man said you should not use his sperm. Make una listen, one I think una get sense. They dey social media and not the learn. Now judge they talk, not be lawyer, woman judge Oibo. He said according to the information I have here, shows that this man said you should not use his sperm. Judge pick an offense for only that one. Judge want to know why. How do you not get children for him? He said, now he get time the time when we they do the IVF. The man no can't get money, now make her stop. So when she can start to the pay by herself, now the man can't agree. Now we can defend herself. Now the judge say no. Now the judge ask me, say, is that it? Now I explain. He say no. Now the judge say he get interest for this case. Now they never want make her talk. Now I just carry picture come and say, my lord, she has 2 husbands. Now he just say, hold on, bring the picture. Now judge ask say, huh? What do you have to say about that? He say he not get 2 husbands. Now let me. Then when the judge come to say they need to do investigation, want to investigate first whether it's allowed to treat the international case here, what happened in Nigeria. Now the say it is say that one and make them want do proper investigation, many things go come. And Nairo say, my lord. They say, he say, the 2 husbands when he get, he say one are fake. He use not do paper. Say use this man do paper to America. Now waiting Rose use a matter for court. And the judge say he get interest in this case. He can't cause so many just like the way that they call E+Posed IVF. He can't say they are going to transfer this case first to that department. That when they are done with it, they will revert back to her. Remember, say Rose took me to court, make her not near children. They turn it upside down. They say, the judge say, I have right to do DNA even now that Rose cannot say Sperm. Now so judge take day like say they my side, although he was following law. Now so Rose to go with she. Now so they take force her to do DNA. Now so they take back to us say it's allowed to treat internationally. That means anything I say happen for Nigeria, now they can treat this here. So now me never sue Rose. It's allowed to treat here whatever evidence I have in Nigeria. It's allowed to treat here, including having 2 husbands. This is even the real husband, not me. So now, make una come check wella the fans of Rose. This picture, if na, for example, say na arranging marriage, this one na him and that man when they still dey young. This one na she and that man. Make una check am whether e no even reach like 5 years later.
But that one not be your problem, sir. For me, that one not be your own.
It's not even my problem. What I'm trying to tell you.
Now her life, if she go judge for herself, put herself for problem for court, not be the way they do things for Africa, they do things for Europe.
Yeah.
Because our Africa people not they learn. Nobody, even if you not go school, They say travel is part of education. You go as you don't do
Okay.
Europe,
When listen, my sister, when I withdraw my sperm, this is the message she sent to me that you cannot pick her phone.
Please save me from this stress. Please beg my husband. I don't know whatever I did to him. Please let him have mercy on me. I love my husband and I love my marriage. I don't know what I've done wrong. Please beg my husband. Please, whatever he wants me to do, I will do it. I don't want to issue. Please. Just a minor misunderstanding. It's just a minor misunderstanding. And there's nothing too serious. He do block me and unblock me. And it's just because he blocked me all over. I don't have any avenue to talk to him. And I cannot be using people's number to be calling him around. I don't even know who I will use to talk to him. I don't just know. And my manager's number is always on record. There's nothing I can say to the manager from there. I did not insult my husband. Please send this voice to my husband. Please tell him I'm sorry for whatever I've said. If anything I've said that if I need no comfort. Issue, please forgive me. And we're not quarreling before. We did not have any issue before I left him. Please beg my husband. Issue, please let go of whatsoever. Please let him just unblock me. Let me talk to him. Please, I am dying here. Please send this voice to him and please beg him on my behalf. I don't know what as I'm staying here in this hospital. I don't even know where I'm wrong. I don't really know the thing I've done. Please, I don't know except that I'm on to this for inspection that is taking. Please talk to him for me. Please let him even hear me out. Let him hear me out, please. Let your husband talk to him for me, please. He's the only one. He knows that me and him would not have anybody. We only have each other apart from God. Please beg my husband for me. Anything that is disturbing his mind, may God just touch his mind, please.
Now, Madali be that one, no, that evil woman. That is when I withdrew my sperm. The day I withdrew my sperm, when doctor called and say I don't withdraw my sperm. That be that one. The date is January 30th, 2023. And they now went ahead and do this IVF December 8th, 2023. That is almost a year.
Yes, I will soon finish enter work. Waiting me, I want to talk for my mind though, to conclude. You know, say as you yourself, you know when I don't they follow you for a long time. Even that when you start to the enter, when I see you with Saga with Monica that year, but you did very intelligent. But how come you not check whether this girl don't marry before you go? Okay, you say una not legally married for court, una not do court marriage now tradition, abi?
You know wetin happen. I know wetin you ask. I can tell you, I be not ready to marry, and I marry out of pity.
Yes.
So wetin happen? Why I not just check? One, not be married will be one enter. You know wetin each and they call usher. Usher you go dey date anybody even though he old. Now usher will be there. I not say go handcuff me.
I understand.
So now out of pity, wetin happen? Now this human trafficking when I fight. So when I want go do the work for Nigeria, I can't go use their office. So now the way she called they report people to me when I use. I don't know anybody for Nigeria. He can't they tell me how dangerous they be. He like to make I take careful. So me I can't feel like say wow. Even though this woman dating her not be my issue. How can somebody just be by my side like this? And I can't date her. When I call the date her, he can't they cry to me say then say she no will born, she no will feel marry this and that. After he say na mama do her. Say if his mama call her, something go shock her for her nerve. Say anything when mama say me do now they do. Now me as a native doctor now I can't be like say na me want break the yoke. Say nothing. Now I use my penis and everything to break the yoke. So now out of pity, I can't carry and go river, carry and go many places.
Go try your best for us.
I can't use myself to break the yoke and all that. So now you know happen. If to say I really want marry, I go dey check. But I just use myself like say nothing dey happen. Nothing. Not say we want marriage.
I still see one marriage. And when she enter Holland, the very day on the airport, like me, I did social media for long. I did follow many people, but I know they comment, I know they talk, because sometimes people they go carry you for me, you don't know who is who. But it good make person say the truth. The issue when they here for my mind though, as everything don't be now, you don't carry and go Europe. If may you fact check whether the pikin na your own. If the pikin not be your own, not be her own, government go take that pikin. Make you just know now. government go take that pikin.
You know, one woman they talk, I know one talk. One woman will be like, say the side now. He say nobody fit take her. Even though Rose born her, even though Rose born her biologically, I feel to make government still take her from her.
Yes, if that pikin not be your sperm, if not, you make I not make sure because people they work. If that pikin not be your blood, say not be your thing, your water, say nine that they do this thing. Two of una, this pikin una no go see am because
yes.
For here where I dey, if you go buy this thing for the country where me I dey Norway. The law when I don't follow. For Denmark, this thing they come on for Denmark. If you go do one for Denmark and all those things, the rules not there. After 18 years, you go prove the sperm, papa, from Norway. You understand? You go prove them. Now it make many women they come up for here. Norwegian not they marry. You they see all this Oibo when we go the friend woman friend they if they just feel like picking when they'll take go. Two people when be say they be agege, two women make her go the other side. They go buy this thing for Denmark. Now Denmark be the highest place. If they see as that Denmark be the king, they still get rules. Before you want to go off every year, they go call you. If your this thing don't come out, the woman the hospital will tell you say how many percent you get because everything they all this Nigerian doctor when they go open one hospital buy two machine they'll begin to deceive her. I know now the desperation where women get are speaking.
Okay, now sister, before you drop, so another person will talk. Which advice you get for woman when they her situation with me, just like you there with a man, maybe you don't need each other and you need to bond and your age is going. Which advice you get for them?
Okay, to conclude, my own mind. If you did that position, you meet man, you feel say you don't go check everything when doctor tell you. You know, if the man they honest too, that they see men when they lie. You understand me? Because me, I don't get experience for life where I don't feel bring my life story for a year. Maybe one day I go call you private, I'll talk to you. You understand on why? So the thing when me I see for inside, not for two of them to just stay together, talk how it be. If you want to do and say make you help them, now another case. You understand? If you no want to do and say okay, you don't want make you do this thing. The woman not.
Hello?
Yeah.
Sorry. No, hold on. That woman is still talking. I mistakenly mute her. Just wait. Juliet, hold on a minute. I don't mute you. I don't know. Hold on. Can you unmute yourself then? I can't help you. Okay. Go ahead.
So the issue be say make CB, the woman not get any reason to lie for you. Okay. If you want, it make you the one when me I just stand for. Me as that is start talk today because you get one thing will happen. Sorry, make I just cut that short. When my brother go give his ex-girlfriend when they don't friend for years, that one don't bump it. Even the girl called my brother marriage. Upon no say my brother's son die. I tell my brother, when I see the picture, I say make they go do DNA. Make all Nigeria, all men who in Africa, make they go there because our women, the mind when we women get. It's easy for us to see that means, but men. You understand me? Because if woman they be true husband they outside. If you want, if they hide man, if I dey like man, if you the man when again now opposite me say I dey like the man. If I really like the man, I dey do for him. So wetin me I know be say oga make una go do DNA. Make you know wetin go happen. You understand? Yeah, that be my own. May your own body. May they do whether na your own water na it go come out first. So if you want judge, if na your water na the thing be. You take them. Now the government could call judge and whether they will give the picking to you, they no go give her. So now so I see my own wish, but she not do well. Now my point with that. Thank you for giving me.
Answer one person. This Jews, you say he not be correct shaman. He's not a correct shaman. You can't make him correct now, as you are senseless now. It's not correct shaman. Making the grave, then you will know that he's correct now. You just come to person comment section, they comment like bastard, we no get head. It's not a correct shaman. You will be correct shaman now as you don't die. As you don't die, finish now. You see what is happening in his life, and you say it's not a correct shaman. Make it Allah devil. Make it Allah devil to find him before his time. Then he will not become a correct shaman. Abi, Madeleine, now you carry, now you even come out rules for this for our house. As you are all advisor and omega. Why you not go carry Rose keep for your house now, Madeline? I don't dey pity that Rose because once she use her hand to shoot herself. You go court. Not be Nigerian court where they collect bribe. You go court. They tell them you married you did the marriage because of it's a scam marriage. You want to use and travel to America. You are a fool. If you are educated, you will not even bring such nonsense. Only you, in fact, and God just prepared this exposure for you. God prepared this exposure for you. You took somebody to court. As you went to court now, you don't even go directly to what you went for. How will you bond somebody and say you want the child to be all over yourself? Now you get Holland. Person carry you come. Only you get 350 husbands. You know the shame. You know the shame. You prepare this man down for before the time. And see how the clock come fire you back in times 3. You went out, you think it's corrupt Nigeria. Where if you talk finish, you go give if the judge now mind, go give a nyash. Then at the end they will turn the case against you. You came there and say the marriage is fake marriage. You wanted to go to America. In Europe, are you okay? Automatically now, everything about you is fake. That's how they will conclude it. Everything about you now is error. So this child, if he's sub now, they will collect those children for you. You think say now Nigeria where you say one go police station, go write statement. Now lie, they will collect those children and kick you back to Nigeria. They will kick you back because you cannot take something from this man without letting him know. This is an agreement. Now you take another person's egg. If you like borrow another person's pecus and put on your own body like this, when the time comes, this is Oyibo land. They will find out the whole thing. You have fall your hand. This case came out earlier. You're supposed to shut your mouth up. Madeline, they ginger you. I remember those days when they watch your program. You go, hey Madeline. And then they say Madeline, they suffer her own there too. Is it well with the Madeline? It's not well with the Madeline. How far now you've come at the time you're supposed to beg this bag finish now. It's why you have messed up. I trained you, I cook for you, I build the house for you. Look at this man and look at you. Who build house for each other? Who can clothe each other? You where they wear sponge for head. You wig the wig. And you come here and say you train him, you do him this, you do him that. See man where you train. See man where you train, how you looking healthy. When you know that you messed up full time, now you went to these people and start crying to beg these people. But you want people to be seeing you as that Odunga. You want people to see you as that Odunga. Now you don't see you use shame, drink crazy like this. You use shame, drink crazy. This is what they call it. This beg, if I don't beg this man since, then the whole thing would have died under people divorce your way peacefully. Only you have 350 husbands and you come here, they make man, they dance nonsense. You want to change children inside one room where government give you one room and shrunk. This iron shrunk. You see that there, they dance, do picture with wig now wig. You where they get the million, the wig they wear like this, and whether they pick up for under flyover for Nigeria. They will carry sponge for head, they dance. At the end now, you don't see the shame. You that's supposed to be in Europe, everything would have been okay for you. You plan to bring somebody down that bring you. How will you feed by the finger that fed you? Madeline is in UK now. All the hailing don't they hail Madeline now. Why have she not come to you? Very heavy 419 you did like this. And thank God this man was himself. Thank God this man was himself. Or like this man now would have not even know what buy this man for nothing. Maybe you plan A as you try poison him, you don't work out. You now try plan B. I believe this Madeline she's the midpoint. Now she planned this thing with you to tell you that Europe can make this man enter prison, then you get that accommodation, those house. It's Madeline is involved. But where is Madeline today now? Is she there to save you? Europe is on your man on his own. You see, Europe, my stress is even from your own stress. They get the way they will stress all of us. This man suffered for years and work finished, gather his money and came to build house. Only for you to come out as old as you are, ancient of days, where you're supposed to respect yourself. You carry yourself there to buy person you don't know how he entered Europe, how he suffered. I built this house for him. And who gave you the clothes? People come, they think as you old. Truly, now you they sponsor this man. You don't say this guy they hustle for ages. For ages. Now you sponsor, now only you they want of him is in his mansion. Ancient of days, as old as you are. Only you now they one room where they keep shrunk. You do video by the corner. They dance with wig, sponge, everything they walk. See wig you they wear. A whole rich woman. You sponsor him, you do him this, you do him that. Look yourself from Nigeria. You gonna say, now management they manage you. You come in now, you are begging his people. Talk to him now. I know you can talk to my husband. Who's your husband? You don't see old cloth and new cloth, they follow each other. They separate old cloth from new cloth. Paul I know, Barnabas I know. Who are you? I beg, I hate nonsense. I don't laugh, I beg, I the rest. I agree the house. Beg everybody. Well, leave for the next person. I beg.
Anything. That should be next time if I have time to talk. All right, next. Who is next? Okay, thank you, brother. Next person. Yeah, I'm busy. Oh, not throw away anything. Next time I will get and take check.
Sorry, I have been listening, and you all are right. But I don't know why nature is always like this. You see, nice people, they hardly meet nice people. I don't know why it's like that. But let's thank God that God has, answered him, and now people are believing him. Because there was a day he was walking and trying to tell us something. But I went through the comment section. I couldn't stay. I just had to walk away. Because somebody is hurting and he's trying to tell us, what is wrong with him. But people were busy insulting him for no reason. At least listen to him. Our problem, especially we Nigerians, we don't have patience. And you see, so many people, they die out of depression. If he has not hold himself very well, tell me, do you think this man will still be here? Because the way people throw him, sometimes I ask, I say, what has he done to them? He's the one that is speaking. Someone is crying. Instead of we to, encourage him and ask him to be patient, everything will be fine. Rather, we start insulting him. Okay, now the truth is out. And what all those insults you've given to this gentleman, what will you say to it? Can you bring down if he's going through depression? Can you heal him? We should be. I beg in the name of God, whatever you serve. When people, for a man to come out and I'm not talking of a woman, to come out and cry and to come out and express himself. Haba, we should listen. We have brothers, we have sons, we have husbands. For a man to take away all the shame and come out and cry out, we should learn how to listen to people. We Nigerians, we should learn how to listen. We kill people before their time. That's why so many men are going through abuses, but they can't come out. Because the same thing, they'll say, no, mind, I'm not stupid man. Anyway, glory be to God that the truth is out. I'm so happy for him. And may God that just started this, we expose everything. And I wish him the best of life.
Keep everybody alive. Many will come. Many is on the way. Let me just say, Oyibo people that say he who that laugh last, laugh the best. They know what they are saying.
Yeah, I just wish you the best. But this time around, we can see now that you are a good man. And be careful. Don't just forget women for now. I don't know even if you have 100 women and you go down today, they won't put anyone. No one is ready to go with you. No. Calm down. Take your time before you go into any other woman. Take your time. You help people a lot. You are a fan. Why try and help yourself? Stop. Yeah. You see, every woman that you stay with, when you people are caught in, she never offends you. They are fake. Yeah. That's the truth. Because when two brothers go into the room to tell themselves the truth and they come out smiling, they've lied to themselves. But when two brothers go into the room to tell themselves the truth and this one come and put face in Jamaica, the other one put in Zambia, they've just told themselves the truth.
Yeah, you're right.
So be careful.